Woza Soccer Beat yethu Talking Pirates namhlanje. Phethe cheese, the most expensive mozzarella. Sizothetha ngenkinga madoda, inkinga entsha ePirates. Bathi uReal uhambile. iPirates is gonna struggle to find a replacement. Bathi nangu uSiyandazwane bamthatha, wathathwa iSundowns. Hayi bakhala abantu. Hey, bathi sibona imihlolo kule weekend cheese. Ama-comments eSoccer Beat. Athi Kabelo Khositsile is the new star sePirates. Uthini mshanam?
Hayi mamela Mjaka, hayi le ntwana lena mina ngayibona kudala before iPirates actually imsign yaze yamsign, and we had a show sakhuluma ngaye. Kumele kahle kahle i-replacement yakaSaleng at the time, but obviously iPirates sinjani intwana encane siyazikhipha sivaye i-loan unyana akwazi ukuthola ama-minutes nyana, and the boy is back and ebheka unjani ufresh Mjaka, like very exciting young player. I think uzo-surprise ama-defender abhaya nama-team abhaya. Ama-fullback asenkingeni Mjaka, and kuBhakane mfethu uyazi we unveil these players Mjaka, and sibafuna abasasebancane basase-fresh. A surprise package for the season. I'm sure lo mfana lo he's gonna be very key for Orlando Pirates kule season le Mjaka, because ntwana iphethe speed, iphethe skill, game intelligence. Ngene garage last la Mjaka, but Cheesy, let the pig do the talking, man. Manje nimthathaphi lo. Ngithi hayi lalela wena subscriber. Zokutshela ngabo labafana.
Hey nyani cheese baba subscribe, subscribe lapho. Sikhuluma ngoKabelo Khositsile namhlanje Soccer Beat yethu family. Sibone i-comments zenu, ama-comments enu. Siyabulela man, siyabonga. And sathi I think the best person esitothetha naye nguCheese. uCheese yabazi ababafana. And vele yena noJoey babe ngalama player anje. Cheese, intoni oyibonayo that you can say yazini le player doesn't belong anywhere else, it belongs with Pirates?
First of all, the type of player. I mean, typical Orlando Pirates winger. Ufana nabo, he reminds me about Patrick Twala when he joined Orlando Pirates, with that left foot, plus vele ushoti naye, Tugu Makhanya. Siyabathanda vele yazi phela baya ikhumbula itsunami. Ngama-shot penangaka. Aboshoti bonke ngababiza Tsovi Lakazi, Tugu, Patrick Twala. Kuyahanjwa Mjaka, yabona i-gravity angazi Mjaka, ibanjwa manje. So ama-defender mina alungisa ama-brake pads. Hayi kusazo-break akusazohanjwa. Yeah, so Mjaka yazini mfethu, like it's a really exciting, because obviously abantu bebakhala man yazini siluza uRele. But the management mfethu always said no player is irreplaceable kuBhakane mfethu. I mean, all over the past generations kudala kufika i-star players hambe kufika esinye i-star player, and iphana nge-chance i-opportunity for intwana encane nazo ukuthi okay i-chance yamanje, because maybe a certain player mayikhona akwazi ukuthi ubone enye iplayer liphume out of his shell yabo. So it's an opportunity for le ntwana le Khositsile. Angifuni ukum-overhyper because it's still a long way to go, usasemncane nakhona kumele sibe a little bit patient ngaye futhi yabona, as much as sibonile ama-glimpses ukuthi uzosinikani, but kumele sibe patient nyana, singamlahleli kakhulu, so that sizithole manje sesithi hey maye asaboni any other thing yabona. Akahlale maybe as an impact player, isikhathi masiya maybe uzofika la sekade yazini coach sengiready maye ukuthi ngaqala ama-game yabo.
Ngikuzwile Cheese. Izabaphi inkinga enkulu ukuze adjust mjayami. The players fanele zimwelcome or ama-instruction ka-coach azamenza adjust fast?
Well, mina sengibona ngathi uadjustile Mjaka, yaza khona ama-player anjalo mayiceda ukufika nje mamela ukufita nje ngeglove nje uvela athi first touch yakhe nje ngizwe i-arena iduma ithi and then la kwenzakalani. Ngibona thatha umuntu lapha ekhona feka yamjabisa kayi 1 kayi 2 athi step over wangena phakathi wamkhipha. Ngathi no, typical Phakathi Juju leli. AmaBhakane la estendini abasazoyishaya ivuvuzela, akusazoculwa, akusazokumnandi, plus manje sesiphethene Norwegian Raw manje kuhlangahlangene Mjaka. So aboKhositsile bazenza ukuthi manje yathini Atlantic, Indian Ocean, man, the ship will be sailing nicely Mjaka. So exciting times mfethu yabona. So uzoba ne-competition obviously, kunomremi, wapolisi ukhona on the sides, usibilibili naye unokudlala as a winger, yabo. So he can also play as number 10 le ntwana le yabona. I think as time iplayer ukuthi ungalithola uma kube nidlala ne-low block, you can get him in that number 10 position. Uzokutholela ama-foul because he's nippy, he's quick, he's got skill, combination play, and definitely you will get more opportunities to ukuthi akore. He got one but azange ayithole Fandiwane, but bekakutshengisa nje ukuthi yazi ngiyakwazi ukufika kulama dangerous positions and then sazo-create for Orlando Pirates. So mina nginawari Mjara ukuthi cala bani. I think the more ammunition ibhaya, the more ucoach azobanjwa i-headache. Nakhona une-headache ucoach, uyazibuza ukuthi manje uyodlalisa bani and baningi labafana. Uphadime ukhona, uyamazi uPopo, athi sibathele uyamazi uPopo. Usafudumala naye sampheka. Nimbone ku-DDC yami aligibela lithi ucoach manje fine tuna nabo coach manje bamuthi kanti uKhipho yalela mabona mola umuthi ubheke eboxini ke ungahlali kakhulu kulo boy siyaphambili.
Masithi ke Cheese ucoach Wadu uza kuwe akubuze kokuqala. I think that masiqale ke yokuqala athi ucoach Wadu, Cheese man, you've been there. You've been there before, my brother. You've been there before. Give me some pointers. How can I manage this boy?
Izocala ngama-teammates wakhe, especially ama-senior players. It's very important ukuthi bakanama-senior players around. Because ucoach angeke abe la 24 hours. Ucoach usamele anake konje singaki lapha ku-Pirates 75 or 40 bani. So ucoach uzophathwa ikhanda. Angeke agadela, it's like umntwana endlini nje. Man, yekela i-stock suit lapho ngizokunika amaqeda ukudla kwakho. Bese ucheka lo munye lapho. Mawuqeda ukucheka ngapha ubhizi usamunyana le-stock suit. Man. So ucoach uzophathwa i-headache Mjara. So bomina into ucoach angayenza ukuthi nje bammanage kahle lo mfana, yabona Mjara, especially manje because udlala iklaphu enkulu, yabona. So inama-factors abhaya off the field also. Kunezinto kumele azinakekele, you understand, like there's a lot that kumele intwana izenze and then nakhona irresponsibility akusiya ka-coach kuphela, even ama-fans ngaphandle, you understand, they can also give the boy advice mabahlangana naye estradini la babona khona ukuthi hey mntwana yabona mawunga-improve la, yabona mawunga-cross because sisazombona Mjara and sisazobona maybe ama-weaknesses where la mele a-improve khona and kula mele simkhuthaze khona. Maybe ucoach ezinye izinto ngeke azibone but wena as i-teammate yakhe angithi uyayibona ukuthi mntwana mamela mawufika lapho ushare ikheki kakhulu nini engilevuma ukuthi ushuta ukore, you understand. So kuzoba into collective. It should be a collective thing from the team ukuthi bayi-support because i-potential bayayibona Mjara. So it's a future prospect for South African football Mjara, and mina I like seeing these youngsters as thole opportunity. And ucoach Wadu ukham dala dila nazo lezi zinto lezi, udlalile nokudlala, so uyazi i-game, first game league umbonile ucoach wethu shy first touch, mameni, first touch ibhola malithi liyaphuma ngibulalela lona.
Surely it's good news God that she's even now uthetha ngolu hlobo Fondini about i-Pirates. Kaloku i-Pirates abantu abaninzi abajonga from phandle, all you hear kukho ii-egos, niyaqabana, omnye unenzondo makudlala lo, akamfuna umnika i-lift lo to training or utshela ucoach le naleya. Yabona, zininzi istory nawe wandibalisela istory ngabantu abaya ku-coach behind your back, like that's what we know. But there's an energy Pirates, like utsho nawe uba izawudiphenda kuma-senior players uba how do they welcome le ntwana etimini. Ivelaphi le energy Mtshizana?
Mjara, I think i-progression from le nto coach ayenzile last season Mjara, ukuletha i-brotherhood, so obviously iplayer elisha malifika mele li-understand i-culture, li-understand ukuthi la asidili ngama-individual, la sidila as a team, yabona. Masikorile celebrate sonke. Mawudlala make sure ukuthi uyadeliver, mawungadlali make sure ukuthi usupporta laba abadlalayo because nawe i-chance yakho izofika, yabo. Ungahlali emakhoneni lokuskinera lokuthi mara mina ngidlali ngingcono ukudlula usibanibani what. I think it's something ukuthi i-coach has really brought kuBhakajuju ukuthi yazini bafethu, we are all one and sonke sispanela for the same goal, you understand, is to bring success etimini, you understand. So kusazoba late Mjara, kusazoba mnandi, yabona, because ucoach Wadu une-headache bafethu, yazi akukho lula, yabo, because I read one comment on Facebook, I can't recall the guy's name, yabona, and I think it was after election from the first game. I had Lindo Pep, you know, and Lindo was talking about role yaga Tito, and also I mentioned the creativity nyana bengekho fund one the way bengijwayele ngakhona last season. But obviously I gave a reason to say it's first game. First game is difficult because kumele nitshele and understand ukuthi phela i-pre-season yase-Spain ayifani mawudlala nama-team wala local eKasi, yabo. So i-readjustment leyo iyafunakala, uya-understand. And mina ngiyathanda manisenda ama-comments asowafethu so that sikwazi u-engage because this is what we do thina la e-Soccer Beat. Sithanda vele masikhuluma because as we are saying, Soccer Beat yenu bafethu, eyethu, eyenu. So sisonke for the betterment of what? Of i-game of football, nalentwana ey'ncane, nalama-players babone ukuthi kuzoba ama-great potential. Kumele sibancede la sibanceda khona. Yes, we'll criticize positively, but also sifuna ukuthi intwana nazo zikwazi ukuthi zithathe something and take it to the field bakwazi ukunceda i-team.
Uyamsetela i-targets ke uza yena ngokwakhe ke uGositsile athi Prachis Grootmanaka ke batla botsa ma Grootman, ke batla botsa, what would be a successful season for nna? How many goals, how many assists?
Yeah, well, i-50-50 lento mjara, because obviously izwa you know, ama-minutes, it will go also, you know, if akalimali, yabona, there's a lot of factors that could happen engamphazamisa, but we don't wish him all of that, but simwishela ukuthi at least akwazi ukuthola ama-minutes. So I think what would be a great season for yena is actually maybe even playing 15 games for the season and maybe,
Okay,
you know,
15
being
games.
around about 7 to 8 assists, you know, getting to that maybe 7-8 goals for the season. You know, it might be a little bit big, a bit of a task, but I think once maybe angakoreli one abone ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthola ama-opportunity, I'm sure sokwazi ukubona ukuthi okay, le player lingafika kweyiphi range, because thina siskorela ama-midfielder nama-winger mfethu, i-striker zethu azikori. So maybe Kgositsile ntwanaka e tlatla e shape maybe ma-7 goals per season, sihlanganise lamanye ama-7-8 7-8, yabona, because samlindile lozoshaya double figures mjaka. Maybe uKgositsile kuzoba uye, but asifuni ukumfaka i-pressure mjaka, yabo. So whatever intwana ingayideliver on the day and for the season, I think for yena his best achievement or something that engamjabulisa manje is that he's finally getting a run and wearing that Orlando Pirates jersey. So kudingeka manje ukuthi yena asebenze very hard.
1937, since 1937, Chaka.
Oh yeah, Danko, what's up?
Thank you, cheese.